Hi again. Today we are going to make another drink of Brazil. The name is Batida de Coco. It's also with the typical spirits drink of Brazil, that is the Cachaça. 51 is one popular brand that everyone drinks in Brazil. Also Belo Barreiro. Belo Barreiro is another brand that is very popular and nice to use as Cachaça. Has a very nice smell that remember you the beautiful beaches of Brazil. Here we are in Cook Island that are also a great place with beautiful beaches. Well, let's start with this coconut shake. That is the translation of Batida de Coco. We will use 2 measures of cachaça. 1, 2 measures of cachaça, 2 measures of coconut milk. Yes, in this case I have coconut almond that will give a particular nice taste also. 1, 2 measures of coconut milk. In this recipe we are not going to use any sugar because we are using something that the Brazilian people use for everything, for the desserts, for the drinks. Everything has condensed milk in Brazil. So let's include 1 measure of condensed milk. We won't use the measure with more or less 1 measure. Okay. A bit sticky. 1 measure of condensed milk, cool, and 1 lime. So let's squeeze the lime. These limes are beautiful because they don't have seeds, so I make it faster. So we squeeze the lime to make 1 measure of lime. If you have lemon, it's fine, you can use lemon. Lime. One lime, 1 measure of lime. Cool. Now we will decorate our glass. Yes, with lime also and coconut. We will monitor the border of our glass. So the coconut zest will be pasted on the borders. Gives nice touch. Decoration. So we are ready. We have all our ingredients. As usual, we double the volume with us. Here it's difficult to make the frozen drinks because it's so hot that the ice melts very quickly. all the island flavors together in a nice, beautiful Batida de Coco. Ready to drink. Saúde. Taste. Beautiful. Very, very nice drink. Saúde.